Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another video on St. Stephen's College. When we talk about a college, is it just about learning inside the classroom? I'm sure you would disagree. क्योंकि जब हम कॉलेज लाइफ की बात करते हैं, it is not about academics only. It is not about being with books only. There is a lot to it. बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें होती हैं कॉलेज में जो हमें लर्निंग का मौका देती हैं, जो हमें नया चीजें सीखने का मौका देती हैं. And this is where the college societies have a role to play. और जितने भी अच्छे कॉलेजेस आप देखेंगे, सभी कॉलेजेस में मल्टीपल सोसाइटीज मिलेंगी आपको. चाहे वो डिपार्टमेंटल सोसाइटी हो, चाहे वो स्पोर्ट्स रिलेटेड हो, चाहे वो किसी एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर रिलेटेड हो, but you'll find a lot of societies out there. This gives students not only the opportunity to interact with them, but also peer-to-peer learning and also give them a forum to express themselves. किसी भी अच्छे कॉलेज में ये जो सोसाइटीज होती हैं वो आपको बियॉन्ड एकेडमिक्स एक अपॉर्चुनिटी प्रोवाइड करती हैं ताकि आप अपने सेल्फ डेवलपमेंट को भी देख सकें और अपने पीयर ग्रुप से भी लर्न कर सकें. एंड सेंट स्टीफेंस इज नो डिफरेंट इन दैट. In fact, if you look at the list of societies when it comes to St. Stephen's College, it's very, very huge. जब हम बात करते हैं सोसाइटीज की, मल्टीपल फोरम्स हैं वहां पे. Whether it is about planning and investment cell, where you learn about the nitty-gritties of how to invest, how to finance, how to plan your finances, or about planning forum, fine arts society. If you are the one who is really interested in fine arts, you have a society for that. Then there are departmental societies like physics society, where you interact, you learn with each other. And these societies also do different cultural events. They organize different cultural events across the year, which gives students the opportunity to express themselves. You have Bajme Adab, you have Gandhi Ambedkar Study Circle, or how to forget about the Poetry Society. If there's a poet inside you, you can be part of this society while you are studying at St. Stephen's College. For students who are really keen to understand Bengali culture, who are really keen to understand Bengali literature, they have a Bengali Literary Society as well. So you can see the opportunities in terms of the societies which St. Stephen's has to offer is quite diverse, quite huge. You have Hindi Sahitya Sabha. In fact, you also have a Shakespeare Sabha. So that gives you a lot of opportunity depending on your aspiration and more depending on your interests. You can be part of any of these society and learn extra out there. And you also learn with your fellow students when you are part of those society. The cultural group Spikmake is very, very active body in the St. Stephen's College. You have Civil Services Forum, which gives you a platform to interact, to learn with students who are preparing for civil services examination. You have Leadership Cell, you have Consulting Club. If you are more of a musical kind, if you want to learn more about music, if you want to be part of it, you are someone who is very keen on music, then you can be part of the Music Society. A person who loves presenting his thoughts, his ideas, his views on different aspects, different problems. You can express so in the debating society. So these societies in the college gives you a lot of opportunity while you are then with them for the next 3 years and while you are learning with them. So these societies are very, very important when it comes to extracurriculars, extra learning environment, and St. Stephen's is no different to that. We continue with this series and we bring to you more interesting information and some very important aspects about the top colleges of the Delhi University. Stay tuned and do watch out this space for more. Do subscribe to the channel and download the Career Launcher app to get more free academic content.